In a faraway kingdom there lived a noble ruler. The people in his kingdom were very lazy, so he came up with a plan. He asked his servants to put out a huge log across the road. The next morning, the first woman who passed by the road was in a hurry. She didn't see the log and fell over and cried in pain. She went away blaming the villagers. My leg! It hurts so badly! Why are these people so cruel? Why didn't this man just drive me to work? Just use the longer route. Next to pass was a very rich man in his car. His driver stopped the car and told him that there was a huge log blocking the road and they had to use another route. This angered the man and he shouted and complained. Sir, there's a giant log in the way. Hey, I don't have time. I've got to get to my appointment. I'm going to report this to the council. Take the long route. Okay, sir. Instead of using the shorter route, people in the kingdom started using the longer route to travel. Whoa! Oh my god, what is this doing here? I'm supposed to be going into my nails and hair, and I see this in the middle of the road. Exactly, and look how bushy my hair is. I have to go and do it urgently. Let's go and use the longer route. Exactly, come on.
After many days, a young boy was rushing to his appointment. He saw a huge log. He decided to push it aside so he could pass.
There's a log here. Let me try pushing it away. He pushed and pushed with all his might until the log moved. Slowly at first until it moved out of the way. There's a purse here. Let me try looking what's inside. There's a letter here. Let me try reading. It says, whoever finds this purse, I will leave all my riches to him. Yay! I'm rich! Never blame other people for your problems. We should take initiative and do the work ourselves.
We should always take initiative, not follow others. In the process of following others, we end up achieving nothing. One has to take initiative in life to achieve what he or she wants.
Take initiative and snap outside the box. Consistent small actions make a difference.
Take initiative. The change starts with you.